Hi there, this is Patty at Parkland RV Center in Leadington, Missouri. Today we're going to take a look at the 2022 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 22 RBHL. Come on in and we'll take a look around. First thing you'll notice is the rear bathroom. It's really nice. It's got a lot of room. Has a nice storage cabinet here. It can either be used as a closet or some towel storage or both. Vanity with a mirrored medicine cabinet. We've got a really nice roomy shower, and then there's more storage over here. Then if we go on in and look at the coach, it's a really nice layout. Next, there's a pantry / closet. Right in here is the removable table. That, you can see, attaches right here to the front of the couch and chaise lounge, which gives you more room during the day or whenever you're not using it. And your seating area here is right across from this beautiful entertainment center. We've got a fireplace, nice big TV. Over here's your L-shaped kitchen. The L shape gives you a nice bit of counter space. It's got solid surface countertops, 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and a storage space underneath. Microwave, upper cabinets for more storage. Refrigerator, nice bonus here. You can sit on the couch and you don't have to get up to get your drinks. In here in the bedroom, I do like that it has a pocket door, so it doesn't take up any extra space. When opening up into the living area, you can just slide it open and closed. And then in here, you've got your queen size bed, a wardrobe on each side, and more storage at the top. Really, really nice lightweight unit. And you can get it here from us at Parkland RV Center. So come on over and see us, Parkland RV Center, Leadington, Missouri.